We're here at Charlie's Fleet Service.
On this week's episode of Project Sullivan.
I'm Gilbert.
I'm Gogo.
So we do auto work, restorations, stuff like that. Basic, auto maintenance. So do overhaul, a lot of stuff. This is Charlie's.
Is Charlie a person?
Charlie's so Charlie is the owner. Yeah, he's been in the business for a long time. He's actually paralyzed from the chest down.
Gotcha.
He actually had his roadside service and he got in an accident, went through the windshield, and they said he'll never do it again. Well, you can't really tell him that. He did it anyway.
He's not that guy?
Dude, he was in a wheelchair still doing road service on I-40. He couldn't stop. He likes cars. He likes working on cars. And
We get that. We do.
yeah, that's what he's done his whole life. Customer's 56.
Yeah, it's a pretty straight body, too. Looks like it's getting ready for paint, maybe?
We got to do some stuff to it first. We got to get it running.
Oh, really?
We just found out, I think it's got a Chevy 283 in it right now. Yeah, it's not in the greatest shape. He dropped me off this one in an 87 Samurai.
Oh, I like Samurais.
And we got...
Oh, so it's classic. Oh, and the grill's coming down on you. I'm not a picky person. There's a lot of vehicles I like. Like this Toyota here is a nice... Those are rare. These were known for being unstoppable, Gogo.
Hey, I'll go. You guys go ahead. Just walk around the fence line over there, and then come get me, and I'll show you guys the other side of the back fence.
No
where,
problem.
Like, all the cool stuff.
Are there any rules I need to follow? I don't want to break nothing.
Yeah, don't open any doors or hoods.
No doors or hoods. Got it. That looks like it's a... People drive that still, dude.
Yeah, it does.
Except for there's no tag on it. This thing's been rode hard. I don't even know what this is, dude. This looks like a Jeep. The front of this kind of looks like a Wagoneer.
It looks like an ambulance.
Maybe an off-road ambulance.
I think it's still used.
You think so? Pretty complete, even though it's banged up a bit.
This is tagged. It's still used. It's tagged.
Four-door. At least the four-doors back then look good.
Yeah, that's not what you were saying yesterday at the last junk fair we went to.
That four-door looks good, though.
Packards.
I like this four-door. Like this. This is cool right here, how it swoops. And it's into the door. This is the automatic too. Look at the interior on this one. This one looks good too. This is cool. I like the stainless here. Oh, that's cool. The sculpture.
Not 3/4 of an inch. It's 3/4 of a foot.
Yeah, 3/4 of a foot. The wrench she tells you not to worry about, or the piston she tells you not to worry about. Automatic. Look, that thing's clean, dude. The interior on that one's clean. The body's clean. That's in good shape. California, last tagged in 2018. That's a nice caddy though. I like that. That's a straight caddy, two-door. It's cool. Hi guys. Hi. Hi. You just hold your hand out and let them snip you, and that's usually how they're cool. Oh, wow.
I told you it was 2 valves and a push rod. Yeah.
You need to sign in. Hold the camera.
Are we
and I'll sign
signing in? Are we actually?
I think it's all full. That's why I wasn't out.
Holy cow. This thing is pretty well filled up. Name, Project Sullivan. Let's come check out this Jeep over here. Oh, I've never seen the vent like this. I never noticed that.
Hey, this is a Jeep you might be able to afford. You realize how pissed off Mark would be if he got this?
Why?
It's in way worse condition.
You think so? Okay, we can't open anything here, so we're just looking right now. That's a sneaky little 4-cylinder in there. Is that a vent? That is a big vent. Oh, that's cool. That's a cool design for the tire rack. It's got a pivoting door. It pivots either direction. What do we got here? Automatic. Another 4-door.
Sorry about all the highway noise. Like we said, the highway is right there.
The highway is right there. For some reason, I feel like they're looking at me. Look, they follow you wherever you go. Imperial 4-door. I like this. I like how it swoops like that. What is this? This is the automatic too. Oh, look at that. That's cool. A little orb in there. This is the 2-door Pontiac.
Is it the Grand Prix edition?
It's a GTO, dude.
Oh, is it a GTO flavor? That's a Grand Prix.
Here's another GTO. Oh, maybe they're both Grand Prix. They look like GTOs. Automatic. Yep, Grand Prix. It is a Grand Prix. You're right. You're right. They have a lot of Grand Prix here. They like the Grand Prix, don't they? Mike Wazowski, I'm always watching. And they're all the 2-pedal edition so far on the Grand Prix. Man, they combine the 3 of these, they'll have a good car. Oh, a 6100! Buddy! That's cool. I need a little emblem like that that's gold.
I haven't seen an actual other 6100 except for yours.
It's got the 10 lug just like mine too. It's got the different grille though. The hood's different.
It's a 3-pedal edition.
My guess is this is a, oh wow, there is this further. My guess is 54, 53.
56.
I do like this. I want to try to find some for mine. It's got a different kind of flatbed than mine does.
Yours don't have a flatbed.
Yeah, it does.
Kinda.
That's considered a flatbed.
It's a short bed.
Here's the International. This is a dump bed. It's the 3-pedal. This one's still ready to do some work. The Ford. I like how this is stuck up. It's like it's turning its nose up at us. Another Ford. These are a little rougher than they look like they were from the freeway. But they're more complete than some of the ones we saw at the last place we went to. The Rat Rod Specials here.
I would rat rod it out.
It's a 3-pedal. Another Rio. We've seen these around. Last one we saw was a lot more banged up than this one is actually.
3-pedal edition.
It's kind of hard to get back here into some of these, and then it's like it's just a box. They're all still ready to work.
Do you guys think your little 24 valve is working? Nah, these things did in their heyday.
Trying to make a video here. I did not open that door. This is a bed. This thing looks like it's got the top chopped almost. Right? Lower.
Well,
It's ready to rat rod here. Diamond. That's actually a really cool plate. I like how they did that.
it's a straight 6.
Flathead straight 6. That's pretty cool. I like the plate there. That makes the whole build for me. And the fact that the roof already looks like it's a chop top. If you slam that thing, it's already ready to be a rat rod. That's cool. Here's a Yodge in one of their ugliest shapes.
Don't tell a Dodge owner we said that.
This isn't a very pretty looking truck. This just isn't a very pretty looking truck. But back then they weren't meant to be, they were meant to work. Jeep V8 350, the Jeep 3000. I don't think it's a small block Chevy. Let's see, can I see it? Actually, the exhaust manifold looks like it might be. Did Jeep get a 350 in it at one point?
I think they did.
That custom bumper dude ain't playing no games. Plus, you know what's cool about this is it's a good step for working on it. Dang, them tires are still in good shape.
What's the 4-wheel drive edition?
Yeah. Oh, wow. This one really isn't in bad shape. That could be a runner.
I think that is a small block.
Custom cab. It comes with a brow from the factory. That's cool.
I don't think that's factory. You can see where it got welded on, Dad.
No, but that's from the factory. Look, this Ford does too. That's not a very pretty looking Ford either though. Maybe it's because of the shape it's in. Maybe it's because it needs to be painted right and stuff.
This is a 3-pedal edition.
Oh, it's the step side though. I like that, short step side. Another Ford. Oh man, most of these are banged up. I bet you those are really hard to find. Short bed. You know what I would do is I would block vehicles up like this if we're gonna show them. Just high enough to where there's no pressure on the tires so they always look inflated even if there's no air in them.
Maybe when Project Sullivan opens their own museum.
It's a Jimsy. Oh, that's the 5-window too.
You got this hitch here, very nice hitch.
This is the big boy. They got some big boys here.
This one right here is a timeout.
Yeah, apparently this one's got to think about what it's done. It's in timeout. It's the 3/4, the 8-lug stud over here.
Custom cab.
Long bed. This is cool right here. I like that body line. It's kind of crazy how that's solid. Don't tell Gogo there's a box truck here. Freightliner. International L190 series. The L190, is that a Lodestar?
Straight 8.
Straight 8. Oh, this is a recovery truck. That thing don't play no games.
This thing's been worked.
I also did not open this door. Yeah, this thing's probably worked harder than everybody we know.
Including yourself.
Yeah. I was kind of hoping there was going to be more here. Oh, it's got the special shifter for this long bed. Must be a hot rod. The hot rod farm truck? Yeah. Which car so far do you like the best, Gogo?
I don't know.
Oh, here.
I'd probably have to say the Packards over there.
There's a few more they say around the corner here. They say they got a Jaguar and a blah, blah, blah over here. So we're going to see that, figure it out together. A couple of bikes. It's a Harley Davidson. You know me, you know my experience with bikes. I ain't got any. Oh, that Cadillac might have a run for its money, dude. 3-pedal edition MG BGT. It's the hardtop. Somebody was telling me in the other video that this is rare. Usually they're convertibles. Maybe y'all can confirm that for me. 2 doors. Is this a Buick?
Yeah.
Automatic. Ooh, Buick. That's a cool looking Buick though, if it wasn't dented. 2-door Buick, that's a cool car. Here's another Buick. Buick 8. I don't even know what that one is. I like these in here. Ultramatic. Dynaflow. This is the 4-door. Comes with your driving crosshair. You just point that to your destination and first start to the left straight on the morning.
Ah, yes.
2-door. I like the shark fin. Dun-dun. Dun-dun. Oh, there's a hood. Is that for this car? I'm gonna have to look up some of these. Edmander. I never heard of that one. Cool side vents. Is this a less complete Grand Prix? Are they secretly pointing at something? Is there something that direction we need to see? 2-door, automatic. Looks like this one's been pretty well stripped. It's got some straight bits on it, like that would go on that one up front there that would work out well. There you go. Mark, your Power Wagon's slacking. This one kind of looks better. Yaj, Power Wagon. You think so? I like the body style better, but you're not going to be able to compete with that engine. 4-door.
Yeah, I will if I put a 12 valve in it.
Mercury. This has got suicide doors, dude.
Yeah, it does.
Got the suicide door on it. Mercury, it's got some of the interior. Back of that Mercury here. The automatic 4-wheel drive too. Oh no, I'm sorry. It is manual locking hubs. I thought it was the automatic locking hubs. I have to eat my own words on that one real quick. It had a receiver hitch, so that's not that old. It was running not too long ago. What in the Jaguar do we have here?
What in the Mondo do we have here?
It's a Jaguar. The Shagwire. Dude, this thing, look, it also looks like the top's already been chopped.
It hasn't though.
I don't think it has. I think it's factory, but it looks good that way.
That thing's a long way from restoration.
If I was gonna pick a Jaguar, it'd be something in this body style.
That's a long way from restoration.
For sure. For sure, dude. I dig that Jag. If it was straighter, because I'm not a sheet metal guy, that Jag is right up my alley.
It's a Jag. Small block. Oh, that small block came out that Blazer.
Oh, probably. There's a square body Blazer over here. Or is it a Jimmy? Packard dash. Small block Chevy engine there. Wonder where that came from. Oh, the transmission's gone too. Looks like it's a 2-pedal though. There's a transfer case and a radiator. Oh, it is the Blazer. That bumper's straight. Apparently it's the only thing straight though. And that tailgate. I need that tailgate. All right, let's see if I can get back out of here now.
You need more
4-wheel drive to get out of there.
Man, they like these Grand Prix over here. This one's doing the Carolina squat. A Datsun? Seriously? There's your K20 swap right there. Oh wait, no, Datsun. Datsun became Nissan. What's that Nissan engine? Here's a Subaru Outback, I'm guessing. It's the 3-pedal. It's not in that bad a shape, really.
You just bought a new car. You don't need another.
Ooh, the OBS Chevrolet. Wow, you don't usually see these with the dented hoods like that. That must be in really bad shape.
Small block.
It does have the small block in it.
Probably Vortex heads to my left.
Custom rat's nest. It is a late model. It is the later model small block. Didn't know because the air cleaner's wrong. Okay, I'm sorry, I like golf carts. I had a wild idea too about getting one of these.
You have one.
Well, my build for them. That's got the automatic locking hubs on this High Sierra 1500 Suburban. Was the GMC also a Suburban? 5.7 liter. Yep, small block, 350, 4-wheel drive. I need to build me one of those. All right, I think that's pretty much it. They got a few rear ends and motors here. I don't know if I can pick out any of these. That's a wild manifold. Oh, here's an engine here. What's this engine? There's your manifold you need, Gogo, for your race car. The is in the front.
It's a Ford.
Yeah, I think you're right. Look at that manifold, though. That's a wild manifold, exhaust manifold. Aluminum heads, or they spray paint aluminum. Never mind.
You
Up.
guys know if this intake is off, but you know what I've had to deal with.
5.4.
I hate
A couple of transfer cases here. There's another small block Chevy engine, and another small block Chevy engine. I'm not gonna climb all the way up in there. I'll try to go slow though so you can pause it when you want to see something.
I don't know what that.
I don't know either. If you know what the engine that is, let me know in the comments below. Good Lord diesel, what's going on here? There's all the diesel engine you'll ever need.
Motor on the side? The go-kart
Yeah.
motor? Yeah.
No, that's the air compressor for the air brakes.
Let's put this in your 55.
V6. I did not talk to him about anything being for sale. I have no idea if any of this is for sale. We did not look at this bad boy here. I'd remember this one if we saw it. It's got the lowering kit custom. Bernalillo Fire Department. Man, it's got all the leaf springs. What is this here? Plymouth. It's the automatic. Straight, really straight. Oh wow, it's got the service manual on the seat. F100 short bed step side. That's straight too. It's got a nice patina as well. Except for it's like a primer patina, but I think it's supposed to be like an off-white. Oh, look at this Ford panel van. I wonder how much they're selling this for. Somebody was gonna put flames on it. Oh, and there's some pinstriping. I wonder how much they want for that bad boy. Old Ford panel van. That would be a cool patina build.
If you've been watching this long, you might as well subscribe.
And remember, don't wait for opportunity, create it.